Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up Streamlabs donation alerts. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your browser and search for Streamlabs just like that. Go ahead and click on the first link that pops up and go ahead and log in into your account if you don't have already, and simply go ahead into the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, all you need to do is on the left hand side, as you can see, there's going to be a tab called Streaming Essentials. This is where you can go ahead and see alert box right over there, as you can see. And here, as you can see, I'm logged in with my YouTube, so my YouTube subscribers setup is right over here. However, for donations, it's right over here on tips, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on tips and you'll be on this page right over here, as you can see. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and write your message template. So name is of the people who donate, and amount is obviously how much amount they're gonna donate. So I've kept the word tipped rather than donated because that just sounds better. Alert duration, you can go ahead and play around with that. You can also play around with text delays. Sound, you can just go ahead and put a link or just upload it right over here, as I have done. Volume, you can play around with that as well. And there's alert animation, so you can go ahead and fade in, roll in, flip out, anything that you want to. Text to speech is also right over here. You can enable it. Custom HTML and CSS is also available. And also there's going to be tip message settings, as you can see, just like that. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and click and copy this widget URL and go to your Streamlabs and simply go ahead and click on plus on sources, and you can simply go ahead and add your browser source. Click on add, and all you need to do is add new browser source and just copy and paste that widget just like that, and you can place it anywhere on the screen. And now if I go ahead and test it, so just click on test subscribers, as you can see, it's tested here as well. So it just works perfectly fine. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.